Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install the Bitcoin.com app on your mobile device. Let's jump right in. First, open the App Store or Play Store according to your device. In the search bar, type in Bitcoin.com and tap Search. Look for the app named Bitcoin.com Wallet by BTC, ETH, and Crypto. Make sure it's from Bitcoin.com to ensure it's the official app. Tap the Install or Get button. Wait for the download and installation to complete. Once the installation is finished, tap Open to launch the Bitcoin.com app. When the app opens, follow the on-screen prompts to set up your wallet. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed the Bitcoin.com app on your mobile device. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick finance tutorials, and share this video with others who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.